This is the year 2250, and look what done to this world of ours. A star superhero penguin is born.
Only when the last tree has been cut down. The last fish has been caught. And the last sheep passing. Well, we realize we cannot eat money. I am superhero penguin! Pluto, the polar bears on the last patch of ice, floating the warm sea. Sadly, he is sinking. Since I'm superhero penguin, I'm gonna turn back time in my time machine. Let's all see Pluto! We are in Lily's bedroom. She's about to use stands of tissue papers to wipe her hands instead of using a cloth. Mission achieved! This food truck got more fish than we need to wasting food. Mission achieved! Woohoo! Let's stop this boy from throwing litter in the beach. Mission achieved! Mission achieved! Woohoo! Let's go back home! The Earth is saved! Superhero penguin can't be everywhere. Let's all be superhero penguins.